Today I'm going to make a golden carrot with real gold using the recipe from Minecraft because you guys wanted it. The recipe contains 1 carrot and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times a gold nugget. Guys, for this video I ordered real gold, which wasn't very cheap, so make sure to like this video and don't forget to follow so you won't miss it. I made a mixture of honey and water to make the gold leaf stick. Comment what recipe I should make next from Minecraft. Let's try the carrot. It tastes just like a normal carrot, so I would give it a 7 out of 10.